Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be speaking about one of the custom builds that came in. Pretty basic unit, but it wasn't booting up. We were able to repair the operating system, get them up and running. But if you are running with a regular drive, you may want to consider upgrading that to a solid state drive. Solid state drives have come down a lot in price, and if you've got a custom build that doesn't have a solid state, now's a good time to actually do it, since we've got 250 gig solid state starting at only $39. So if you've got a problem with your custom build, problem with it not playing games correctly, or just any kind of power issues at all, bring it on into Impress and we'll get you fixed up. 281-647-9977.